So by now, you've probably heard about the communicative approach. And in this video, we're going to look at the criteria which speak directly to this underpinning of the whole CELTA enterprise. Context is key. It needs to appear right from the outset of your lesson plan, in your aim, and the criteria want to see you establishing a clear context. After all, think about it. If I tell you all about steering wheels, gears, pedals, etc., it might give you some knowledge about cars, but if you want to drive, you need to get into the car itself, get into the context, drive it around a car park, and take it out on the open road. The same is true of language. Learners don't need to know a bunch of theoretical knowledge. They need to be given clear context in order to relate the language to their own lives. An example of an aim that includes a context would be something like, by the end of the lesson, students will have practiced the present perfect in the context of tourism. For example, have you ever been to Ireland? Yes, I've been many times and it's wonderful. As opposed to the present perfect is subject plus have or has plus the past participle. Now you do it. Dull and unmemorable. So what do the criteria say about this? Well, 2C wants to see you providing clear context and a communicative focus for language. In particular, you need to provide a context for language by means of a text, which can be reading or listening, by the way, a situation or task using visual aids and realia as appropriate. You need to ensure there is a clear link between the context, tourism, and the target language, present perfect, i.e., the context allows for the target language to be naturally used, which leads on to the next criteria, which says that ensure that the context provides learners with sufficient opportunity for communicative practice.